Within the aspects of child eye health and school eye health, we are right now sitting at a work for 4 countries discussing about systems change and policy changes necessary which are leading to a systems change.
There is already an existing policy. Then you don't have to do another one. Just make an addendum, something to add on to make it more realistic, to make it more achievable so that people can use it in a better way. And obviously, always after you have made a policy, because it should go up to the national level for approval.
What happens often is that we go and cry foul amongst ourselves and preach to each other, yet we already converted. But the key people who make these decisions are never part of these meetings. We want to have them onboarded, one, so that we understand how do they appropriate finances, but two, to understand what are the hiccups they face in terms of prioritization, and then for us to be able to air out what we see as deficiencies.
In the end, no child in Uganda is forgotten, not to be referred to in time to a pediatric eye unit and to be helped on a professional level, and that no child is sitting in a classroom not being able to read at the blackboard because it has an eye problem. We have to work holistically to make sure that all the children in need are getting the services they require.